Tonight, we are in for a celestial treat as we turn our eyes to the sky to catch a glimpse of a beautiful planet. Stay tuned as we are going to see what is happening in our night sky. First of all, you should find where the north is, so all you need to do is to find the big bear in the sky. The easiest way to spot it is by finding the Big Dipper, which is part of the Big Bear or Ursa Major. As you can see here, we can see the ladle that is called the Big Dipper, and it is part of the Ursa Major. Big Dipper, as I told you, looks like a ladle. Once you found it, you can be sure that you are watching the north sky, and here you can see the pole. Now, all you need to do is to look to the south and find a bright object that isn't twinkling. Well, you found Saturn. Using a telescope, you can observe Saturn's rings and some of its moons. As you can see here, with a telescope at the center, you can see the Saturn, and all the other bright objects are its moons. It's a breathtaking sight that you won't want to miss. So it will be visible throughout the night sky, moving slowly across the sky. As you can see here, I can change the minutes, and as you can see, as the time goes by, we have Saturn moving slowly across the sky. Make sure to take this opportunity to marvel at one of the wonders of our solar system.